Good Tuesday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at conditions going on around the country, and we'll start off again with Tropical Storm Eta. And this storm, I'll tell you, has been rather interesting over the past 24 hours. It is really kind of fallen apart, and it's questionable as to whether it's actually going to make a second landfall. You see it right here, and it's essentially going to meander around this area for a couple of days, and then it's expected to kind of, after some point, move up and maybe make a second landfall right in that area. But I got to be honest with you, this thing is battling a lot of dry air, some cool water. I just don't know that it's going to make it, but that's okay. If it doesn't, no big loss for anybody. Let me go ahead and back the map out though, or the radar out there, because I want you to see what's going on over in this area, which is going to be the factor for us. So we've got a cold front making its way across the country going east like this. We've got a ridge of high pressure in place at the moment, and we've got all this moisture building up in the Atlantic Ocean. And what's going to happen is those are going to start to work together. They're basically going to wedge this moisture in and start to pinch it. And when it does, it's only got one place to go, and that's up through here. Well, guess what? That's where we are. And that's going to start to funnel in a lot of moisture for us over the next couple of days. And we're going to see a fair amount of rain. It's not going to be a complete washout, but it is going to be inconvenient at times. I do think Veterans Day, unfortunately, is going to be our wettest day of the week. And it's, it's very unfortunate because I know there's some parades and things like that that were scheduled and different events. So, they'll have to look at alternate plans or maybe, break out the rain gear, right? So we'll certainly keep you updated on that. As far as what the temperatures are doing right now, it's currently 59 degrees in Salisbury, upper 50s to low 60s around the county, depending on where you are. And as you head out south and east, again, the temperatures increase to around upper 60s, low 70s along the Outer Banks up toward the mountains. They get into the low to mid 50s, depending on the elevation. And we'll certainly see temperatures warm up again today into the mid 70s. And we'll see rain start to make its way in. Let's go ahead and turn on the model, Phil. And this is 7 a.m. this morning. And you can see what the models are kind of indicating. And as we move through the day, we're going hour by hour now. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And again, you see, if you've noticed in the model updates over the last few clicks there, you see all the moisture heading this direction. And you see it starting to bubble up in some areas out along the coast and places like that. It's also going to start to build up right in through this area. That's the Blue Ridge Escarpment, where the mountains and foothills kind of meet each other. And you're going to see a lot of activity building up there as well. And then it's just a matter of where the heavy rain band's set up. So now we are at 12 o'clock this afternoon. This is now 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10, 11, midnight. So you can see that we will have chances for rain off and on throughout the day. It's going to slowly creep in. I've got an 80% chance in the forecast, but let's be honest, that's going to be closer to midnight. I'd say the overall chance between now and midnight, you're looking at about 20% chances, and that's starting at about 4 o'clock this afternoon. And then as we get to around midnight, the chances increase from 20% to around 80%, especially as we go through the overnight hours into Veterans Day. So again, this is midnight now, 1 a.m. Veterans Day, 2 a.m. You see plenty of rainfall moving through the county now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 a.m., 9 a.m. This is now 10 a.m. Veterans Day, 11, midday, 1 p.m., 2 p.m. We're now at 3 p.m. on Veterans Day, 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Veterans Day, 9 p.m., 10, 11. This is now midnight Veterans Day going into Thursday morning. Now 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4. You see rain just continues to come in waves. This is now 5 a.m. on Thursday morning, 6 a.m. Thursday morning. Look, a big swath of rain once again. And that's how far this model goes. So let's go ahead and take a look at weather impacts for today. and we'll talk about what we can expect there. We'll see patchy fog burning off by around 10 a.m. this morning. Partly sunny skies are possible this morning, but I wouldn't expect them to last long. That might be what gets us to our mid 70s, around 74 degrees is what I've got forecasted for the high today. Those sunny skies might just get us there. Rain chances will slowly increase as we move through the afternoon and evening hours. You'll certainly see the clouds start to build once again. And then winds will be out of the east-southeast at around 8 miles per hour, which is very consistent with the direction that the moisture is going to be coming in from as well. So everything seems to be going in place here for us. Tropical storm Ada, again, that's part of the driving factor here, but I don't think we're going to have to worry about impacts from the storm. The good news is with the storms with the rain we've got coming in, with Ada doing the way it is right now, we certainly won't have to worry about the winds we've seen with previous tropical storms that have made their way through the area. The biggest impact for us, again, is going to be the potential for localized flooding. So you might want to get out there and clean your gutters, things like that, if you haven't already done it. But I got to be honest with you, I know a lot of folks have been doing it for the last couple of weeks, especially with leaves coming down out of the trees and stuff like that. Clean the stuff around your home that could clog up and cause flooding, storm drains, et cetera, things of that nature, because the rainfall we'll get, even though it won't be associated with Ada, it will certainly be tropical in nature, and there's going to be quite a bit of it coming through. And when we look at rainfall totals through the remainder of the week, this is through essentially 7 a.m. Monday morning. So again, literally through the remainder of the week here. And we could see anywhere from 3.5 inches to 4 inches of rainfall around the county. That's not fluctuated much. When I first started showing these potential accumulations, they were ranging anywhere from 3 3/4 inches of rainfall to 4 inches of rainfall. So very little in the way of fluctuations. The models have been doing a pretty good job of keeping up with the potential for rainfall here. So localized flooding is going to be a concern as we go through the remainder of the week here, especially Wednesday and Thursday when we see our periods of heavy rain. The 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on the website at www.sasloop.com. Mention you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather, and they'll give you $25 off your first time service call. Today, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, high of 74. There will be some periods where the sun can pop out. Again, I don't know that it's going to last for a long time, but I do think that's what's going to help us get to that 74-degree mark. We'll see clouds increasing as we head into the afternoon and evening hours, and rain chances do pick up. Again, I've got an 80% there, but keep in mind it's going to be closer to midnight. I think the rain chances fluctuate from around 20% by around 4 p.m. and slowly increase as we get later in the afternoon and evening hours. And by around midnight, I think that's where we're going to have the best shot at around 80% chances of rain. We'll see a low of 64 this evening. Thunderstorms possible on Veterans Day with a high of 74, low of 66, 90% chance of thunderstorms and showers on Wednesday. Again, no real concern for severe weather. I do think that our biggest threat is going to be the potential for localized flooding. And again, that'll be Veterans Day and then Thursday. And speaking of Thursday, we'll see thunderstorm chances again, 90% chance with a high of 74, low of 59. We will see the rain chances gradually decrease as we go through the day on Thursday. So once we hit the afternoon hours, I think we'll see those rain chances around 90%, starting to gradually decrease to around 40% by the end of the day on Thursday. And then as we go into Friday, rain chances are 30% for Friday morning. I do think those isolated showers will probably come to an end right around midday on Friday. We'll see a high of 71, low of 47 with partly cloudy skies Friday evening. On Saturday, rain chances return once again, 50% chance of isolated showers and thunderstorms. Cold front will have come through Friday into Saturday, so we'll see cooler temperatures, high of only 62 on Saturday, low of 48, and we'll certainly keep you updated on that. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather, you can follow us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can visit us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you know someone who does not have the internet or they don't utilize social media, and they have cable television, they can check us out on WSRG TV in Salisbury. That is available on Hotwire and on Spectrum, and we'll keep you updated there. We hope you enjoy your Tuesday, and I'll keep you updated as the rain chances start to increase, and we'll keep you aware of anything going on weather-wise. As always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather.